afternoon, this is Kansas Mountain Man going over my Stanley survival kit. At first we have the Stanley 20 ounce cook system. We open it up, and inside the kit, that's how it's packed, tight, so you get the most bang for your buck. Inside we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of the military napkins that come in the MREs. We have a emergency space blanket for shelter building or temperature control. Ferro rod for fire. Swiss Army knife with one of the little Boy Scout ferro rods on it. I don't know what model the Swiss Army knife is. I believe it's the Camper. An Ozark Trail multi-force multi-tool, modeled after the Leatherman Wave. It's got the pliers and all the exterior tools, file, serrated knife, normal knife. If I can get my fingernails to work, a saw to strike the back of the ferro rod. We also have 2 Cliff bars, a Bic lighter with duct tape wrapped around it, SOL signal mirror, an SOL fishing kit, probably 20 foot of number 36 line or 36 bank line, a Go Fire, which is basically trioxane, the same thing wet fires are made out of. I have 2 of those, 2 Tender Quicks, and then the very bottom we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sachets of coffee. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Kansas Mountain Man out.